Isn't it great to be alive? And in the garden. Look at what this snowstorm did, man. Oh my goodness, look at how high the snow is. That's a pot right there. See that? That's a pot right there. You can't even see the ground. Look at the bed. Those beds are like 36 inches high. Look, the snow is all the way up there. Look. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna try. That Vigo garden bed is completely covered. That's 17 inches high. And those are my fruit trees. Look at them. They're in a pot. And the snow is all the way up to, it covers the pot. Golly. But, you know what? We inside. But, I still got to shovel off my trusty deck down there. But everything else is on pause for now. Yeah.